Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by scanning the room and choosing one person who seems approachable. Aim for someone with a shared class or club. Once chosen, stand or sit near them and adopt open body language so you look friendly and calm. Then open with a short, specific question about class, homework, or an activity. This gives you a natural reason to talk. Make sure to listen more than you speak at first. Asking a follow-up shows real interest and keeps the interaction going. Once you've broken the ice, focus on building rapport by asking open questions that invite stories, not just yes/no answers. You should mirror short phrases or repeat keywords to show you understand. This creates quick rapport. Also give sincere, specific compliments about effort or choices rather than appearance, because that feels thoughtful. Then propose a low-pressure shared plan. Study together after school or join a club task. So you move from chatting to doing something. You wrap up by turning a first hangout into an ongoing friendship. Follow up within a day or two with a brief message about something you talked about and propose the next simple plan. Make sure to respect signals. If they decline often or give short replies, step back and try building rapport with someone else so you don't over-pursue. If things go wrong, adjust your approach. Slow down, ask different questions, or lower pressure. This reduces awkwardness and increases chances of successful connection.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.